Hi, my name is Tiago Duarte and welcome to another video tutorial here at Daily Beats. In today's video, I'm going to make a trap beat. And before I start, I would like to ask you to subscribe and activate the notifications so that you know when I upload new videos. And if you have any questions, just leave a comment below. Also, if you want to support this channel, consider buying one of my products at DailyBeatsVI or become a premium or exclusive member, and you will be able to see the video in the full length. And you'll be able also to download this project file for free. So with that out of the way, let's go ahead and start creating the beat. 148. I have some new samples here, but I don't think I have here something for trap. This is more, yeah, so it's more electronic dance music stuff, but I think I have here something for hip hop. Let me check. I would swear I have here some stuff. Maybe we can use that. Yeah, but this is also okay, so let's try apply here a envelope. And let's go ahead and create here some kind of rhythm here. No, so this is trap, so it should be something here, and we can do something like that. Okay, let's do this, and this comes here. And here we can do another roll, something like that. Put it in the right place, that's important. And we can maybe do something like this and make it shorter. And maybe we can go to volume again, or velocity, or the volume, yeah, and do something like that. So let's listen to it. So one thing that I want to do here is to disable or apply a low pass filter. Okay. So let's make this a little bit on point. Okay, like that. We can make it on a second channel. Make it, maybe reduce a little bit the low frequencies, make it a little bit higher, like that. Okay, and now we can go ahead and bring some hi-hats. No, I prefer it the other way. So now I can maybe add something like this. Okay. Yeah, let's do that and copy and paste this. I like this one. Okay. So now I think I will have some kind of problems with the kick because it's very strong, the kick. So let's go ahead and copy this. And let's bring this all the way through. Maybe we can add another one here and another one here, but smaller. And here we can do something like that. Okay, so this is a little bit too hard in terms of the bass mix. So let's do something like that. So now okay, so that does not go down as I was expecting. Maybe we can do something like that. Maybe this. On the second snare. Nice. So let's rename this kick, snare, open, hi-hat, hi-hat. So this is 808, and this here is wobble, wobble. No, with 2 O's, just 1 O. Let's go with this one because I know that this has some really dope sounds. You see? Nice. Let me bring here the keyboard more into play. Let's see if I can come up with something. Record that. Yeah, let's keep it low in terms of volume. I don't like this A sharp. Let's see. Yeah, let's keep it like that, and let's lower the volume. Or maybe we can do something like this: delay, reverb, and it's too much. Okay, I like that. Very simple. Maybe here. Maybe shorter. This is harp, and this one here is pen. Here I think something is missing. Oh, no. Should be something like that. Like this. Okay, so now maybe I can even do something like this. Okay. Now it sounds much better, so let's go with all. Let's bring this to channel 10. And we can even increase a little bit. And now let's do some magic here with splitEnhancer and make this very hard. And this sounds really nice in this type of sounds. Let's now bring some delay, some reverb, and let's go ahead and create something here really fast. Doesn't have to be very complex structure. So let's start here, and I want to start with, let's go first organize this a little bit. So let's go put the drums at the top. open hi-hat, and then we have the 808 here. Okay, and I want to start maybe with just the kick and the horns, and then bring the open hi-hats, and here we can start with 808. And actually, let's bring now let's keep the pad like this, and we can do something like this. Let's see, let's go to step mode here. And for instance, what I would like to do here is to maybe add a low pass filter here to the harps, just to start bringing it slowly. And here we can even take the first kick and just leave the harp also. Let's see. Of course, the pad with the low pass filter now would have a much more impactful part here. So let's keep it like that. So this should be the beat. I think that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to see how I mix and master this beat, consider become an exclusive member. And if you are new here to this channel, consider subscribing and activate the notifications so that you know when I upload new videos. And if you have any questions, just leave a comment below. Also, consider supporting my channel by buying one of my products at DailyBeatsVI or become a premium or exclusive member, and you will have access to exclusive tutorials about music production and also to the project files of these tutorials. So without anything else to say, my name is Tiago Duarte, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.